What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm still here in Barbie's store or Jerry's store. You guys know the store I'm referring to. It's the really big one. And as you guys can see, the aisles are loaded, they're big. I just want to stop right here and just see if we have any new items. Over here we have like lots of hand soaps, hand sanitizers. We have the little hand sanitizer sprays from Be Pure. We have the citrus and the lavender. We also have the matching hand wipes. The little pediatric stethoscopes are still here. Those are actual real stethoscopes. I found some pretty nice items in here. As you guys see, I have a cart full of stuff. I'm gonna show you guys a name brand brush that goes for much more on Amazon. Barbie pointed it out to me in my very last video. So if you guys missed my last video, go ahead and click right here. We were talking about some of the new drinks. We took a look at the brush. I'm gonna show you guys again. So these are some of the brushes. The brand is Cirrus, and it's a really heavy duty, nice brush. Here's the QR code if you guys wanna go to the site or wherever this leads you. Open your camera like you're gonna take a picture and then tap on the link and it should take you right there. It says a revolutionary styler to add volume, create waves, and shape an effortlessly toasted look with ease. Okay, you guys, kind of a mouthful. It's a really nice box. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I don't really understand how it works or what it does. It gives all these different tips, but it looks like a nice set. Definitely looks like a nice set. I just went on to Amazon and I scanned the barcode. The QR code was taking a long time to load. These were previously $14.49 on Amazon, but they're currently like a little under $5. So I don't know, you guys. I think I might just give it a try, see how I like it. I don't quite understand it, but still, $1.25 versus $14.49 or even $4.49 is still a really good deal. Let's just keep it moving here with name brand items, you guys. We have these brand new Scoonsy clips that are super cute. These are also brand new, these claw clips. I really like this one up here. You guys know I love the pearls. There's just a lot of hair accessories here in this location. There's just always so much. Oh, these are cute. These look like the handmade ones that people used to be making on TikTok where they would pour the resin over the flowers. Yeah, those are pretty. These ones, they have like the gold bead and then they have the little pearl. And then these are new. They're calling them salon clips. And then I wanted to find those fuzzy ones. Oh, I thought these were maybe packs of 2, but they're just super big and fluffy. We also have this one here. These are cute. Oh, these are Scoonsy also. Scoonsy. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so pretty. They're so pretty and delicate. I really like these. Look at these. Cute little bobby pins. Oh, those are cute. And if you guys are wondering about all of the new fall and Halloween items, I got you, you guys. We are gonna look at those items in the very next video. You know, I just have to come back to my favorite areas of the store. I feel like some of these items might be new as well. Oh, and the Utopia pitted snacks are new. Kalamata olives with sea salt, green olives with chili and parsley. We also have the green olives with garlic. Icing gel in blue and black. We also have pink frosting. It says frosting gel tube, 1.5 grams of saturated fat per 2 tablespoons. I always look at the saturated fat. I'm gonna pass on that. Just really trying to be mindful when it comes to saturated fat, because like we really have to protect our arteries. We really have to protect our heart. Raspberry preserves. And strawberry preserves. What's this? Chickly. I'll try my best French. Matured cheese crisps in Gouda. 6 grams of saturated fat per 9 pieces. Back you go. Kool-Aid gels in cherry and strawberry kiwi. I mean, just because we are trying to eat on a budget doesn't mean that we have to choose things that are high in saturated fat and unhealthy. Often, if you are on a budget, you often can make bad choices. But I feel like, especially in a big store, you can just take the time and look at the saturated fat and try to make the best choices for your family possible. These are definitely new. Nutri-Grain Bites in strawberry. And I'm noticing there's 1 gram of saturated fat per 7 pieces. The container is 3.5 ounces. Let's see what else we have. One thing I haven't been seeing as much of lately in the stores is drink mixes. The area is getting much smaller. I feel like there's been a lot more just regular drinks compared to drink mixes. I just love this one, you guys. It's so good. Bang Root Beer Blaze is my favorite Bang energy drink that I've ever tried. And I don't drink it very often because it does have a lot of caffeine in it, but it does taste really good. Ginger snaps. We have fiery hot popcorn. Fire roasted sweet corn. Ranch and habanero. Super small bag though, just 2.5 ounces. The crunchy rice rolls. Hot and spicy chili. Iced animal cookies. Now these don't mean they're the ones that have the coating, like the coating that's like extra, like a topping on top of an ice cream. This is just like a spray coating, I believe. Chocolate animal crackers, the diavolines, the chabalines. Very tasty. What are these? Sugar wafer, 20 in a bag. 1 gram of saturated fat per 3 cookies. So that's going to be per little bundle 1 gram of saturated fat, and you get 8.46 ounces. Colombina is the brand. 60 calories. We also have the vanilla. And the vanilla is also 1 gram of saturated fat. Thin shortbread. Dark chocolate cream, fudge covered cookies with peanut butter spread, the Marias, the mini fudge marshmallow cookies, lots of cookies. Oh, even more down here, we even have chocolate Marias. My kids love Maria cookies. Well, you guys, that's it for this video. I think my very next video is going to be up in the seasonal area. I want to show you guys what's new in the harvest and fall decor areas. This location has a pretty nice big selection. The back to school area isn't as huge as it's been in past years, but they do have a really nice seasonal area. So come with me, you guys, to my very next part of the store. I'll share even more new items. Maybe we'll even find some name brand items. This location has a ton of fidgets. If anyone that you know of is still into like poppets and stuff, we also have the Subway Surfer figures here that are brand new for the week. That's my first time seeing those. And they just have tons of toys in here, but most of them you guys have probably seen. We went quite a long time without finding any new toys, so I know most of you know like what's down the toy aisle. But don't forget, you guys, if you're looking for more frosting besides the food area of the store, also over here in the party section, in the bridal section, they have even more icings. They have red, pink, yellow, purple, blue, green, and they have some more of these tubes as well as the little nozzles, and they have the edible shimmer powder. So if that's your sort of thing, definitely come over here. Don't just look in the food area, but come over here too, because they have a lot of new items over here if you love to bake and do like the whole party thing, or maybe you just like to go all out for birthday parties. I love to do that too. But all right, you guys, thank you for watching. I had a lot of fun shopping with you guys, and I can't wait to take you along with me in my very next video. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.